Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Fix It Angrezify. Today's video we will learn use of A and N. You know that English alphabets consist of 26 letters in all. Of these, the vowels are A, E, I, O and U. The rest of them are known as consonants. Use of A. Read the following: a tiger, a chair, a mango, a pen, a book, a football. Tiger, chair, mango, pen, book, football are all names of things. These are in singular number and begin with a consonant sound. We have used A before all of them. Use of N. Read the following: an elephant, an orange, an ice cream, an apple, an aeroplane, an umbrella. Elephant, orange, ice cream, apple, aeroplane, umbrella are also means of things. There are also singular number, but all these begin with a vowel sound. We have used N before all of them.